Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're working with Jesmonite AC100. We added some of the Art Tree water-based pigment in Grape to the mix to give it a vibrant purple tone. Jesmonite is an eco-resin system that is extremely versatile and fun to work with. Jesmonite AC100 has about a 10 to 15 minute working time and demold time of 30 minutes. We lined our silicone mould with gold leaf before mixing up about a kilo of Jesmonite in total. We also used the Jesmonite high shear drill mixer to mix our AC100, as this helps create the smoothest finish. We pour about half the mould and tap around the sides of the mould to release as much air as possible. The more you tap the mould, the better the finish will be. Overall, I think we used about 800 to 850 grams to fill this boat-shaped mould. So after this, we grabbed a candle jar mould to fill with the rest of our Jesmonite. As an extra little side project, we wanted to try something we'd never done before. So using a small pop stick and a toothpick, we created a small love heart shape in the center of a coaster mold. In next week's video, we'll share how we finished the candle jar and the coaster mold before we demolded and finished the pieces. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave us a comment below, or subscribe to our channel. We'll see you in the next one.